Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Noel. Welcome back to the new episode, and thank you so much for always clicking into my brand new videos or into my videos. I do not take it for granted. If you're new in my channel, thank you so much for subscribing, and for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always taking your time and supporting me. All right, so today's video we are gonna just make breakfast and some folding of clothes that I did wash yesterday. So yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like, comment and share to your family and friends. And yeah, we are on the road to 1000 subscribers. So guys, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure.
Alright guys, I'm making breakfast, and as you can see already, I have applied blue band. Is it visible? Let me see. I've already applied blue band, as you can see here. So this is what I want to toast. I want to toast the bread, and I've used blue band, of course, and the peanut butter. Yeah, so this is what I'm gonna use. I've already applied already, so I'm gonna put the sandwich maker on the fire or on the electricity, and then I start toasting. And my tea is doing well here, so that's my breakfast, a simple one. Yeah, stay tuned. So I'm here, I'm in the living room. I'm using the socket in the living room. So this is the sandwich maker. It's on. I've put it on already, and I'm preheating or prewarming. No, preheating already. It's just like an oven. You preheat first before you start baking something. So you can see here, for those who don't know, we have a red button and a green button. So if you turn, while you're turning on, this green part is usually green. It doesn't have like orange anything or something. So, and the red remains the red. All right, so if it turns orange here, it means it's already ready. You see, it was orange and it has gone to green, meaning the sandwicher is already preheated. So we can open now, and then we put, yeah, you see, it's even removing the steams or something. It's not stable as that. Let me, oh, I don't know, it's not stable because it's training. Okay, so what I do, I usually put like margarine, that's blue band for those who come from Kenya. We put margarine like that. That is blue band. Okay, all right, let me fix first this sandwich maker because it's slanting. Okay, so now we are stable enough. So now let's put our bread. Yeah, because okay, I do have a pastry brush, but because of my laziness, I might call it so, I'm not using it. I'm using my spoon. Okay, so let me put here like that, like that. Yay. Okay, so now we close it. Oh, sorry. Okay, As simple as that. We've closed. So we are waiting for it to brown. I'll show you the end results, okay? And so here, guys, I have a bunch of clothes that I need to fold and arrange because I did laundry yesterday. We are gonna do it together. All right, voila, tea is ready. See, boiled. So let me just, okay, give me a minute. All right, so let's see, because it has gone, like, the timer is off. Let's see. Yay. So guys, if you're okay with like this brown, then it's okay because it's already good. You can take it, but for me, I want deep brown, so I take it back. I close it back and then I wait for timer to go off and then it will be ready. So for me, I do 2 times for my bread to be just perfect the way I want. Yay! Yay! Don't mind about my nails, they've gone bad. Okay, now so this is our bread, very very much ready. So I'll switch it off from the main circuit and then I remove my bread. Simple as this, but they're so crunchy. Oops, and hot. All right, voila. So this is my breakfast. Join me, let's eat it. Okay guys, so let's start. guys, so this is all, and that marks the end of the video. Thank you so much if you have joined in, if you have clicked to my channel, you've watched till the end. Thank you so much for doing so. Subscribe if you haven't, and you can share to your family and friends as well. So guys, let me see you on my next video. Ciao ciao, au revoir.